Ever found yourself listening to an AI-generated voice and thinking, that sounds good, but not quite? Well, that's about to change. Today we're diving into FishAudio's latest innovation, the S1 model.
Hey there, I'm here to help you out. Just ask me anything, and I'll do my best to find the answer.
My name is Daniel, and today I want to introduce you to a unique voice platform, and specifically, its newest model. In this review, we'll explore what makes the S1 model special, how it works, and whether it's the right tool for your voice generation needs. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, there might be some nice discounts there. And now let's dive in. What is FishAudio? So, my friends, FishAudio is an AI voice platform that's seriously shaking things up in the text-to-speech and voice cloning space. And when I say it's packed with options, I mean it. We are talking over 200,000 voices in Japanese, French, Arabic, you name it, with native-level fluency and tone. What really makes FishAudio stand out is its realism. We're not talking robotic or flat AI voices here. Users are saying these voices sound so natural that most listeners can't even tell they are generated. That's a big deal if you're creating videos, podcasts, or apps and want that human touch. So next, I'm going to put the newest S1 model to the test and break down exactly what it can do. S1 voice model test. Alright guys, let's head over to the FishAudio website. Right here on the main page, you can click text-to-speech, paste your text in the input window, pick a language, choose a voice, and generate your audio. However, I prefer going into the text-to-speech tab to access more advanced features. There are two options here: Advanced Audio Story for longer texts or Instant Speech for shorter ones, which is what we'll use now. Click the Create button and it takes us to the voice generation page. You can paste up to 30,000 characters of text here. Then choose a model. The company has recently released a new version called S1. It's still in beta, and that's exactly what we're going to test today. Next, you select a voice model. I've already created my own voice clone, Daniel, and have your text spoken by celebrities. As you can see, the selection here is quite broad. There are also branded voices provided by the platform itself. Let's go back and stick with the Daniel model. Below that, you'll find advanced settings. I've enabled high quality mode. Speed and volume are set to default. So let's finally begin the test. For this demo, I'm going to use a few sentences from one of my YouTube videos about marketing. We are using the S1 model and the Daniel voice. Click the Create button, wait just a few seconds, and let's listen. My name is Daniel, and today I'm super excited to dive into how to break into digital marketing in 2025. Whether you're fresh out of college, looking for a career change, or just curious about what digital marketers actually do all day, this video is going to be your complete roadmap. As we can hear, the tool does a decent job placing emphasis, adding pauses, and the voice sounds pretty natural. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now I want to show you some really cool features of this platform. For example, you can insert pronunciation tags directly into your text using brackets. Tags like pauses, laughter, or sighs. I've just added those tags. And I'd also like to slow down the speech a bit to make the voice sound more articulate and expressive. Let's generate the voice again. My name is Daniel, and today I'm super excited to dive into how to break into digital marketing in 2025. Whether you're fresh out of college, looking for a career change, or just curious about what digital marketers actually do all day, this video is going to be your complete roadmap. So it felt like the pauses and the laughter weren't very expressive. More like the speaker made a tiny pause. But let me show you a trick. Try adding several laugh tags and a few long break tags, then regenerate the audio. My name is Daniel, and today I'm super excited to dive into how to break into digital marketing in 2025.
Whether you're fresh out of college, looking for a career change, or just curious about what digital marketers actually do all day, this video is going to be your complete roadmap.
You heard it yourself. The pause got noticeably longer, but more importantly, the tool has added sincere laughter to the speech, and the tone changed right after it. You could clearly hear how cheerful and upbeat the narrator became. That's an interesting feature. Now, friends, I want to hear my voice in other languages. This can be very useful if you're a content creator. For example, if you want to voice your videos, not just in your native language, but in others as well, maybe to reach a new audience. So I've pasted in a Chinese translation of my text. Let's see how the model reads it aloud.
I 叫 Daniel，今天我非常高兴能够深入探讨如何在2025年进军数字营销领域。无论你是刚从大学毕业，正在寻求职业转变，还是只是好奇数字营销人员实际上整天都在做什么。
I've never spoken Chinese before, but thanks to modern technology, now I can. And pay attention, it's not just some random person speaking Chinese, it's pretty similar to what I sound like. Finally, I'll try one more fun feature. Let's voice my text using a celebrity voice. I am not doing this to hear myself in another language, we've already done that, but rather to hear how it sounds with a different accent. Let's find out. It's a really cool experience. And just look at how many voice options you can choose from. Hundreds, perfectly tailored for your content. For example, how would I sound with Lionel Messi's voice?
My name is Daniel, and today I'm super excited to dive into how to break into digital marketing in 2025. Whether you're fresh out of college, looking for a career change.
Final thoughts. Alright, let's wrap it up with a quick summary. Since adding the S1 model into my workflow, I've noticed a significant improvement in the quality and efficiency of my voiceover projects. It captures emotional nuance and natural pacing so well, my voiceovers now feel way more authentic and engaging, without spending hours on edits. Have you tried the S1 model yet? I'd really like to hear what you think. Has it boosted your content like it has mine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm always curious to see how others are using this tool. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.